What's up everyone, this is Gavin with Super Nutrition, and this will be the first video that I am doing on everything you need to know about specific supplements. And so with this video, I'll be shining the spotlight on creatine. So what is creatine? Creatine is naturally produced in our bodies. On average, we produce about 1 gram each day, which is stored primarily in our skeletal muscles. It's also found in foods, primarily meats and fish. However, you would need to consume a lot of meat and fish to obtain any appreciable amount, and so this makes supplementation a more cost-effective and efficient way of increasing creatine stores in the muscle. Alright, so how does it work? So creatine works by regenerating a molecule in our bodies called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. And ATP is our body's main source of energy. And so when you're exercising really hard, creatine can decrease in your muscles, and so when this happens, the production of ATP comes to a screeching halt and your energy is dramatically decreased. And so supplementing with creatine helps to increase the available fuel to power this ATP, which can help increase muscle size, strength, and power output. So which exercises is creatine most effective for? So creatine supplementation is often correlated with just bodybuilders and powerlifters. However, several different types of athletes can benefit, including soccer players, swimmers, and sprinters. And also, as you recall, because it can help increase muscle size, strength, and power, it's also useful for those involved in contact sports, such as football or hockey. It's not beneficial, however, for more long endurance aerobic style training, such as long distance running. So how do you supplement creatine? So creatine is usually supplemented in one of two ways. The first way is through a loading phase, which entails taking 20 grams in split doses over 5 to 7 days. And so this loading phase is then followed by a maintenance dose, which is 3 to 5 grams. And so the purpose of the loading phase is to saturate your muscles a little bit quicker in order to experience the benefits of creatine a little faster. The second option is to skip this loading phase altogether and just take the maintenance dose, which is around 3 to 5 grams. This is just as effective as loading, however, it's going to take a little bit longer to experience the full benefits of creatine supplementation. Creatine is not timing dependent, so I know it's included in a lot of pre and post workouts. That's not necessarily as important as just taking it in general. So take it whenever it makes you happy. All right, so is it safe? So creatine, specifically creatine monohydrate, is one of the most studied supplements there is, and it's also one of the safest. However, the media continues to spread rumors that it's not, that it's similar to anabolic steroids, it's going to kill you, it's going to give you cancer, vice versa, which is just simply asinine. Really, the only reported effects of creatine, and these are often anecdotal in nature, are things like stomach cramping, and this usually occurs only if you take too much creatine at one time, usually over 5 grams, or if you do not consume enough water throughout the day. So this is the first video on creatine. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.